Okay, my friends, yes, you're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, I am showing you what I'm about to have for my breakfast here this morning. Just got up not too long ago. So, some breakfasts are prepared for me. So I'll be having some black coffee here. Of course, some black coffee. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out of it. Alright. And over here, I'll be having some toasted bread. And I'll be having some slice, or should I say sardine steak. That's what it is. They're sliced. That's how they made them. Put them in the tin or in the container. Sardines. Yeah. Toasted bread and egg white without the yolk. Egg white without the yolk. Egg white without the yolk. Black pepper on the egg white. And of course, some Jamaican style fritters. Yeah. This fritters has curry in it, and black pepper, and scallion. Yes. So this is my international breakfast here. American and Jamaican style breakfast. Toasted bread, sardine steak, egg white, and Jamaican style fritters. And some black coffee. Yes, my friends. You're watching this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. Yeah. Some awesome bits. Very shortly I'll be enjoying this nice hot coffee and my toasted bread with sardine steak, Jamaican style fritters, and some nice fried egg white with black pepper and sea salt. Yes. Alright, my friends, so I am going to eat this breakfast right now without any further delay. Thanks for viewing. Please like and share. Please comment. Yes. And please support my channel. Thank you very much. Appreciate you very much. Take it easy. Have a wonderful day.